Number 1, Bowser Jr. Plushie Toys Super Mario Richie.
Whoa, Larry, yo!
Cartoon Animation's original voice.
Hiya! Hiya! Alright! Ow!
Number 2, Morton. Plushie Toys Super Mario Richie.
Wait, is that canned fish? I'm not eating that.
Cartoon Animation's original voice.
Go away, plumber's helper! The only place you'll see your brother's face is on a milk carton!
Number 3, Ludwig. Plushie Toys Super Mario Richie.
Sir, I do believe we're having a bit of a misunderstanding.
Cartoon Animation's original voice.
How many Bowsers does it take to unscrew a light bulb?
Number 4, Bowser aka father of the Koopalings / Koopa Kids. Plushie Toys Super Mario Richie.
Oh my god, Junior! Stop wasting on the water, Junior! Junior!
Cartoon Animation's original voice. Number 5, Roy. Plushie Toys Super Mario Richie.
Get out of here! Get out of here! Show 'em.
Cartoon Animation's original voice.
We already have cartons of hair dryers and Arctic Expresses knocking at the door with another load.
Number 6, Lemmy. Plushie Toys Super Mario Richie.
Stuff? We don't have any stuff.
Cartoon Animation's original voice.
You know, Luigi, a smart guy like you ought to join up with the winners. Here's a nice turtle shell you can wear. If you can't defeat us, you might as well join us.
Number 7, Larry. Plushie Toys Super Mario Richie.
I gotta agree with Junior on this one. Like, the food portions have been getting smaller and smaller every day. Like, what happened to the day where we hunted the big animals, like deer?
Cartoon Animation's original voice.
Hi, Luigi. We figured you'd be coming by.
Number 8, Wendy. Plushie Toys Super Mario Richie.
Oh, me? Nothing. Yeah, I gotta wash that off. Where are we going again?
Cartoon Animation's original voice.
Luigi, are you afraid of a few teensy-weensy turtles?
Number 9, Iggy. Plushie Toys Super Mario Richie.
Oh, shucks, it was nothing.
Cartoon Animation's original voice.
Big B's mad. He's out there burning, 'cause your puny luck is turning. Flour fry me, I'll go poof. But Bowser, dude, he's fireproof.
Which sounded better?